Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, and I'm super excited to share it with you all. If you're into custom apparel, small business, or just love printing your own designs on t-shirts, you're in for a treat. We're reviewing the Procolored K13 Lite, a 3 DTF printer, and trust me, this thing is a beast. With its 13-inch printing capability, LiteHead Technology, and so much more, this printer is set to revolutionize the way you create custom garments. Let's start with one of the most impressive features of the K13 Lite, its A3 size printing capability. This means you can produce larger transfer designs, making it perfect for handling more demanding garment printing projects. Imagine being able to print bigger, bolder designs on your t-shirts, hoodies, or even tote bags. The A3 printing area offers greater flexibility for custom apparel, helping small businesses and creators expand their product range and take their designs to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this feature alone is a game changer. But what really sets the K13 Lite apart is its ability to create a cleaner workspace when paired with the Smokeless Oven curing unit. This combination is a total winner, especially for home studios and indoor production spaces. The Smokeless Oven helps reduce odors and airborne fumes compared to traditional curing setups, making it a more comfortable working environment for you and your team. No more worrying about annoying fumes or messy cleanups. Just focus on creating amazing designs and letting the K13 Lite do its magic. Now, let's talk about maintenance. We all know how frustrating it can be when our printers start to clog or malfunction. But with the K13 Lite's LiteHead technology, those worries are a thing of the past. The printer is designed to simplify maintenance and reduce service complexity, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Automatic cleaning functions help prevent clogging and ink drying, allowing you to maintain stable performance with less manual intervention. This means you can spend more time creating and less time troubleshooting, a total win-win. Another feature that really impressed me is the K13 Lite's smart protection and stable white ink flow. The infrared Printhead SafeGuard System monitors the printing area in real time, detecting film warping and foreign particles as small as 2 millimeters to help protect the printhead. Meanwhile, the automatic white ink circulation system runs every 30 minutes to prevent sedimentation and ensure smooth, consistent printing. This means you can trust the K13 Lite to deliver professional quality prints every time, without worrying about costly mistakes or wasted materials. Last but not least, the K13 Lite boasts professional color accuracy with its smart software. With G7, certified color accuracy, optimized color curves, and Procolored Studio Lite software, the printer automatically detects RGB and CMYK image formats and applies calibrated color profiles. This helps ensure accurate color reproduction from screen to fabric, making professional quality printing accessible even for beginners. Imagine being able to print designs that look exactly as they do on your screen. It's a total dream come true. In conclusion, the Procolored K13 Lite A3 DTF printer is an absolute powerhouse. With its A3 size printing capability, cleaner workspace, easy maintenance, smart protection, and professional color accuracy, this printer is perfect for anyone looking to take their custom apparel game to the next level. Whether you're a small business owner, a home studio enthusiast, or just someone who loves printing their own designs, the K13 Lite is an investment that will pay off in the long run. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Procolored K13 Lite A3 DTF printer today, and start creating amazing custom apparel that will leave everyone in awe. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a total game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next